Today I want to tell you quickly about the little known FPV Mode camera feature on the DJI Mini 2. If you're going through the DJI Fly app and you're a beginner, you might notice the FPV Mode setting and think, what the heck does that do? Or if you're a seasoned flyer, I'm going to show you how you can use it to get some really unique and dynamic shots. Let's jump right in. So before I jump in and talk about the DJI FPV mode on the DJI Mini 2 and how you can use it to get some really dynamic and unique shots, I just want to quickly say 98.5% of you aren't subscribed to my channel. So if you like all things drone related, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, please make sure the notification bell's on, and if you've learned something new and liked this video, please make sure to hit the like button. It means a lot to me and this channel. So let's jump in and talk about the DJI FPV mode. So like I say, if you're a new flyer or new to the DJI Fly app, you might have noticed in the camera settings there's a FPV mode and you might be wondering what that is. So I'm just going to quickly explain how the gimbal works so that you get an understanding of how the FPV mode works. So on the DJI Mini 2 we have a 3-axis gimbal. And what is the purpose of this gimbal? Well, when you're flying, depending on how fast you're flying, wind direction and the movements you're inputting into the controller, your drone is always banking, flying forward, leaning down, turning left and right. It's always moving about in the air. It's never sitting stationary. And so what the gimbal does is it always keeps the horizon level. So regardless if your drone's banking left and right, your shot will always be smooth and will never really show any of that motion in the footage. So when I say the gimbal has 3 axes, what I mean is it has a side to side, like this, which is the pan axis. It has a up and down, which is the tilt axis, and it has a left and right, which is the roll axis. So in default follow mode, which is the standard mode that the DJI Fly app has the gimbal set to, the gimbal will always keep the horizon level regardless of the movement the drone makes. When you flip it into FPV mode, what it does is it locks this roll axis, which means as your drone's making a bank left or right, the roll will not compensate for that and keep the horizon level. The roll will actually follow the bank that the drone is making because it's locked. And what this means is you can create some really dynamic and immersive shots. So what does FPV mode mean? Well, if you don't know, it means first person view. If you've ever seen someone flying drones with goggles on, that is FPV flying. But when it comes to the DJI Mini 2, what the FPV gimbal mode does is it allows you to create some more unique and dynamic shots. So let me just show you some demonstrations now, comparing the standard follow mode to the FPV mode on the DJI Mini 2. So in this first shot, I have the drone gimbal on follow mode, which is the standard default mode. And what I'm doing is I'm just strafing the drone left and right when I'm recording. And as you can see, the footage looks super stable, the horizon is always level. Even though the drone's doing this in real life, you would nearly think it's doing this because of how stable and smooth the footage is. Now here's the same footage with the FPV mode on. And as you can see, as the drone's strafing left and right, the gimbal is actually rolling left and right too, showing the motion of the drone. So why would you want to do this? Well, firstly, if you are flying FPV with goggles, it can be much more immersive and much more helpful to flying when you can see the motion of the drone. But personally for me, what it allows you to do is in certain scenarios, it allows you to get much more dynamic and unique shots. So hopefully you've learned something new. I just want to quickly say before you go, 98.5% of you aren't subscribed to my channel. So if you're new around here and like drone related videos, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and make sure the notification bell's on so you don't miss any of my other videos. And if you've learned something new, please make sure to hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.